Hi, welcome to this channel. Today I will share about the envelope system of budgeting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Often when you cash a check through a bank, your money is given to you in a cash envelope. People used to spend the money in this envelope wisely, knowing that there was no more money until the next payday. They basically could look and see how much they had left every time they shop or the talk about shopping. So rarely do we sit and look at our checking register before we whip out the plastic card or a pen. The envelope system of budgeting work for many people is used the tried and true method of psychology saying your dollar to determine your spending. First, you sit down and budget on your spending. You can use one of the two methods. In the method 1, you label and the envelope for each expense. Be sure to break down your yearly bills such as property tax or insurance premium into monthly allotment. Each envelope will have an amount and is that you will place in each month. You can subtype envelopes for several coupon organizers. The signet on the 4 bills, one for debt and one for monthly spending. This method work will for this with the field bees. Method 2 take into account that many payments come directly from your checking. On paper, you will account for each bill that you pay during the month. This is your bill paying Guadeline. Simple keep a note book with a page for each month with each bill listed. Mark the off as you pay them. You can total each month bill in advance to help determine how much you have got to in the envelopes. It often wishes to go ahead and have your saving automatically deducted from your account each month. Never saying the money in the envelope reduces the desire to pinch some of it. Take the leave over money each month and allot into the envelope for your monthly spending. The envelope category may include grocery, clothing, eating out, gasoline, car maintenance, and so on. If you load 100% a month to clothing, put 100% in cash in the clothing envelope. You can only spend what is your envelope for clothing on the clothing. If you don't spend anything and you clothing not months, then you will have 200% in the envelope the next month. Once you spend all of the money in the envelope, you're done with the category for the month. The cash you have is all you can spend. Don't write the check. Don't use a debit card and never use your credit card to buy extra. It could take a few weeks to get the process down, but stick with it. You will get the hang of it. Most people find that envelope method allows them the spending freedom they deserve from a budget. They know how much they can go spend without worrying about what has already been spent for the month. If you are paid bi-weekly, simple, adjust the method to work around your pay period. I like to treat myself to sticking with the method by taking all the cash of the cash out of the grocery, eating out and entertainment envelopment, and putting in the special saving envelope before revealing in the each month. This is my blow money. I use it to save or things I see that I want. This envelope has no rules or restrictions, but can use for anything. I found that over time, it is easier to save for lunch item. I don't just blow it on a bunch of little things. Okay, but can be used for everything. I found that over time, it is easier to save for large items. Don't just blow it on a bunch of little things. Okay, thank you.